guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and as you can see here, I'm wearing this beautiful plaid shirt. This is the AKEWEI women's shirt that I think makes such a good purchase. I love the fact that I can wear this shirt in so many different styles, whether it's casual or I can also button it up so it looks a little bit more formal. And I love the colors as well. I find that the colors are super neutral and I can wear them with different kinds of colors. I love also how durable this kind of material has been. I have had this for quite some time and I haven't had any issues with it wearing out. I find that the material can be lightweight, but at the same time it's still cozy if I need to wear it. It is long sleeve, so it's great for one of those days in case it's a little chilly as well. And I also love that I can have the buttons here at the front. I just love the style. I think it's a really, really great shirt, and I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a wonderful plaid shirt. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.